Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Creation Designs. Welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. So, in this segment today, we're going to learn. This is a beginners friendly video. So if you are a beginner and you are just starting out learning how to make and create earrings, this video is for you. So we're going to make a dyed bone bead earring with a little touch of a cowrie shell. Okay, cowrie shell. Yeah, y'all. Anyhow, so let's go ahead and go through all the things that you're going to need. So you are going to need, and I'm saying this all together, you're going to need 8mm beads. Okay, so you're going to need eight millimeter beads, and you're going to be using 4 per earring. You are also going to need 17 disc dyed bone beads, like spacer disc beads. And I purchased these from Michael's. Okay, Michael's does have these. The 8mm beads you can get anywhere. They're just some wooden beads. These burl beads, or oval beads, I'm gonna say, I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so you're gonna need altogether 8, but 4 per earring. The disc beads, I'm sorry, you're going to need is 34 altogether. You're going to need 34 of these altogether because it's 17 per earring. Okay, you are also going to need some 20 gauge wire, 2 pieces. You're going to need 2 pieces 6 inches long. Okay, you will also need your round nose pliers, your flat nose pliers, and your wire cutters. 2 cowrie shells, like I said, because you're going to need a cowrie shell per earring. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first thing that we're going to do is you're going to take your 20 gauge wire, 2 pieces about 12 inches long. Okay, now what you're going to do next is you're going to take your round nose pliers, and you're going to come down about 1.5 inches. All right, at least about 1.5 inches. Okay, let me make sure this is correct. Yeah, come down till about maybe 1.5 inches or more if you have to. And then you're going to make your loop. Okay, so that's your loop. You're going to give it some indentation. Some people ask me, what do I mean by that? You take your pliers, you go in the hole, and you just pinch it over like that to make it like a complete circle, just like that. This is what you're going to have. Now you're going to take your pliers, hold it over top. You're going to pinch this up, and you're going to wrap it around as many times as you need to. Try to make sure that your spirals are close together, just like this. You're going to come down, and you're really going to wrap it and come down. Make sure you count how many times you come down so that when you go to make your other earring, the length will be the same. If you add 1 or 2 more spirals, you may throw the length of your earring off. They may not be the same, but that's why I said make sure you count. Now, I have done this. Let me see, because I didn't count. So I have wire wrapped this about 8 times, okay? About 8 times. So now I'm going to take and my flat nose pliers and squeeze that little piece that was sticking. I'm going to go ahead and start adding on my beads. So when I first start my beads, I'm going to add one of my 8mm beads. I'm going to do this, I don't know if this is black or blue. They both look the same to me because these two look different. Yeah, so I'm going to go with this one. And then I'm going to add on another 8mm bead. So what I'm going to do now to speed the process up, because this does take time, I am going to go ahead and add on my beads and come back and show you all the next step. Okay, everyone, so I have my beads on. This is pretty much what it looks like. I started here. I did 3. Then I did my oval, 3, oval, 3, oval, 3, oval, and 3, and ended with these 2 with one of my discs in between. This is what you're going to have. Now what you want to do next is you're going to bring your earring together just like this. Bring it together. And you're going to start wrapping this part onto this part. So you're going to bring it together like this. And you're going to start wrapping. You can push that up a little bit. Start wrapping it on there just like this. That's why I said you want to try to make sure that it is at least 8 inches long so that you can have enough. This part has to have a little length to it so that it won't make the process hard for you to do. Okay, so now you got that. Now you take your scissors, listen to me, scissors, your cutters, and you want to snip just like that. You take your pliers and you squeeze that in, and then we can straighten this up here. So this is pretty much how it is going to look. All right. This is just the first part. So now what you want to do is you're going to add on your cowrie shell. So you're going to come here, you're going to take and go in the middle of your 6 inches, okay? And you're going to go in the middle like this, and you're going to bring it like this. You're just going to pinch that together like that, okay? And then you're going to come down just a tad bit like that. And then you're going to take and slide that right on to your earring. Now your cowrie shell, move this because we're done. What you want to do now, once you do that, okay, you're going to take your flat nose pliers or whatever you have, and you're going to hold that over your loop, and it should be going to the side. So your earring should be facing this way, but your wires should be to the side. Now you're going to twist this twice. So 1 and 2, okay? All right, that's what you're going to have. Now you're going to add on your cowrie shell. This is basically what you should have. Now you add your cowrie shell on. Now this part is important. You want to make sure there is a groove right there. Y'all gonna have to excuse my hands. That you want your wire to go down inside of, okay? So you're gonna take and place it just like this, and you're gonna pinch it just like that, okay? Okay. Now, this part is going to stay here. You want to make sure, like I said, that it is down in that groove. Because if it's in that groove, it will not pop out. Okay? What you're going to do next is you're going to take your back wire. You're going to bring this down And you're going to wrap that around your front wire. And you're going to wrap it about 3 to 4 times, okay? All right, just like that. All right, now I'm going to show you what you should have. Okay, this is what you should have. This bead is not and will not come out. And you know why? Because it's down inside that groove. That groove is going to support it once you put it down inside of there. So now I'm going to come here and snip off this wire. Okay. Then I'm going to take my pliers, my flat nose pliers, and squeeze that just like that. All right. Now I'm going to pinch this over to the side and I'm going to make my loop. Now your loop doesn't have to be big, but you make your loop just like this. Make your loop, and then what you want to do next is you're going to take and wrap the rest of this pretty much around just like that. Okay, it's not as, just come all the way down, and you take your pliers. All right, and this is pretty much what you should have. Okay, now we're gonna straighten that up because it's all crooked. Everything is crooked. I'm just gonna take and straighten it up. All right, so now it's nice and straight. And then the very last thing you're going to do is add on your fish hook, and you've made yourself another gorgeous pair of earrings. And guess what? They are also lightweight. Okay, so you have yourself another gorgeous pair of earrings that are lightweight, y'all. All right. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much. Please make sure that whenever you are watching a how to make video, that you watch it from the beginning to the end. Because I do get people telling me, I've tried to make your stuff exactly the way you make it and mine don't come out that way. The one thing that I never do here is not give instructions. I do not cut out stuff that I do not put my stuff together and cut parts out that I know that belong in the video. I will never ever do that, okay? If you watch my video from the beginning to the end, you will know exactly how these were created, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. I greatly appreciate your amazing support that you have shown to me down through the years. Please make sure you like, please make sure you comment, please make sure you share. And if you have not become a subscriber, please subscribe to the platform so that when I upload more videos and hit the bell, you will be notified. Have a wonderful and amazing day, everyone. Make plenty, plenty, plenty. And as always, peace and blessings. And until my next upload, see ya and happy crafting.